Okay, so today we're going to replace the screen on an HP G71-329wm laptop. First, what you have to do is turn off the computer, disconnect it from the charger, and then remove the battery. After that, remove the two plastic screw covers that are on the two bottom corners of the laptop. After doing that, remove the two screws. Then gently remove the bezel. Just slide your fingers all around the bezel until it is completely off. Remember that the bezel is very fragile, so be very careful. Now you're going to have to remove two screws on each side of the harness and two screws on top of the harness. These screws are holding the screen in place. Then place your old screen on top of your keyboard. If you have a webcam, please disconnect the cable from the webcam. Then disconnect the video cable. Then place your old screen aside and grab your new screen from laptopscreen.com. Gently place it on your keyboard, connect the video cable, and if you have some, grab some electrical tape, cut a piece off and place it on top of the video cable connection. This will secure the connection. Then gently place your new screen on the harness and connect your camera cable. At this point, it is safe to test your new screen. Connect it to the charger and turn it on. Make sure everything boots up properly. After that, just turn it off and disconnect it from the charger. Now screw your new screen onto the harness, the two on top and two on each side of the harness. Then, gently place your bezel back on. Just slide your fingers all around the bezel until you hear cracking noises, snappy noises, or clicky noises. This will let you know that it is put on right. Then proceed on to screwing the two bottom screws back on. Then put the two plastic screw covers back on. Then put the battery back in, connect it to the charger, and turn it on. Your new screen should be working now. Thanks for watching.